Have you ever done something you know it was wrong? You know how it would end. You know the consequences, the guilt, the regret, the pain, but you still did it. And maybe deep down you were hoping it would hurt this time. Maybe you thought I can handle it, or maybe you just didn't care enough. That's the worst part, isn't it? Not the mistake, but the fact that you choose it anyway. You knew better, but being immature felt easier. Being careless felt safer than being honest. But now it's day 13, and maybe it's time to stop pretending you're just messed up. You're not broken, you're just avoiding responsibility. You want to grow? Then act like it. Own your choices, feel the weight, and then do the better. Finally, do better. I'm not saying this because I'm perfect. I've done it too. I've made the same dumb decision, thinking maybe this time it won't hurt. But pain doesn't forget, and neither should we. Let day 13 be the day we stop making excuses and start making changes. That's my day 13 of the road to 50K per month. See you guys tomorrow.